Executive National Vice President and Arbonne Independent Consultant Blair Lewis. Being a former hairdresser, I'm super excited to share with you some tips and tricks on how to get the maximum benefit out of Arbonne's amazing new True Hair Care line. So starting with the shampoo, the key with your shampoo is to ensure your hair is really wet first. As this beautiful product contains plant-based surfactants as opposed to sulfate-based surfactants like ammonium lauryl sulfate, sodium lauryl sulfate, this means the product won't lather up as much as products that do contain those ingredients. So by ensuring your hair is really wet, you will allow for a better lather. You take a small amount of product, rub your hands together so that this will help to get even coverage through your hair, and start to work the product from the back into the center where your hair gets the dirtiest and then towards the front. Making sure that you use your fingertips, giving it a really good scrub, because this will allow dirt to lift from the scalp of the hair, but also to help encourage dirt to remove itself from the hair follicle as well. Making sure that you really get and cover all areas of your hair. Pop your hair back under for more water, because more water equals more lather, and that way you'll be able to get a better wash. Once you've completed the first shampoo, rinse the product out really well. We always shampoo our hair twice because first shampoo helps to lift the dirt from the surface of the hair and from the scalp, and then the second shampoo helps to remove any excess and leftovers that you didn't get out the first time. So after you rinse the first shampoo really well, follow the same process with the second shampoo. Once you've completed your second shampoo, it's really important to squeeze any excess water out of the hair, because this will mean that you're not watering down your conditioner and you're gaining maximum benefit from your conditioner as well. So really give your hair a good squeeze, wring the water out, even better if you can, towel dry before applying your conditioner. To apply your conditioner, you get a small amount in your hand, about a pea size is all you need. Once again, rubbing your hands together, because this will allow the product to be evenly coated through the hair. Work the product through mid-lengths to ends only. There's no need to put conditioner on the scalp. So mid-lengths to ends, brush the product through so that you get all hair coated evenly, and then whatever excess is on your fingertips, utilize that to massage through the scalp for about 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing the conditioner. And this will allow you to help blood flow and circulation to your scalp as well. Rinse your conditioner out really well also. This will help to ensure that you don't have any excess product left in. The way that conditioner works is basically it helps to close the cuticle down after shampooing, which opens the cuticle for us to allow to clean our hair. So conditioning closes the cuticle down, and our third step, which is our beautiful leave-in daily treatment, will help to add even more moisture to the hair. So once you've rinsed out your conditioner really well, hopping out of your shower, squeezing, wringing out excess water, towel drying really well, a small amount of product is all you need. It comes in a small bottle for a reason. Once again, hands together, working it through mid-lengths to ends only, all the way through, so that once again you get even coverage through your hair and you are ready for the day.